How's it going, guys? Welcome to the inside of our house. Today we're going to show you how to build this fireplace right behind me. So this is going to be part one. Part two is going to be up here in case you've already clicked part one and you actually need to see part two. So I'm super excited to show you guys how to build this. Let's go. Okay, so we got our 2x6s and we're gonna go ahead and cut these down to 72 inches so that we can use them as anchors for the entire project. First things first, we gotta measure this side. All right, now we gotta cut down our 12-foot 2x4s. Now we go inside and double check our measurement, which I'm gonna probably have to take about a ½ inch off. Okay, these are gonna be the sides. These are 2x4s, which is actually a 1.5 by 3.5. So we're gonna do 11 inches so that I can get the full 12 inches out of the shiplap on the side. So on these 9.5 foot high sections, I'm gonna go ahead and just do 4 tie blocking, I guess you'd call it. And these will be 8 inches. All right, now that we built that side, we got to build this side. Okay, hopefully you can see this. I'm basically going to try to find the angle of the top of the ceiling. So I'm going to butt this one up against it and then put this one right underneath it, and that's going to give me the angle. I'll draw it, cut it, and then transcribe it onto the 11-foot one. Here's what the transcribed piece looks like. We're going to use this top one, not the bottom one. And then I found the angle on my miter saw, which is right around 12 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and cut it. All right, I cut all the main studs. Now, it's time to assemble it. All right, we're doing the fireplace box, 15 inches from the ground. So I'm gonna mark the sides so I know where to put the studs. Can you lift it up?
Is it gonna hit the fan?
Yeah, it will. No, just pull it back towards yourself. No, because it has to go this way. There you go. Oh gosh. Okay, so now you gotta go on this side. You want me to do that part?
Let's move the couch.
Okay. Ready, go. Nice. It's gotta go this way, and then it's gotta go. Okay, let's do this, hon. Bring that corner to this corner.
Okay, I'm gonna let go.
Bring that whole thing basically over to this corner just here. Oh gosh.
Oh,
Keep going. All the way. Keep going. Oh.
oh my god.
Okay. Woo! Alright, ready this way? Okay, so you're gonna have to bend that one out. Just a bit. Ooh, like it, yeah.
Seriously.
Hey guys, if you liked coming along with us on this first part of our fireplace build, give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and consider doing so by clicking that little subscribe button at the bottom. We'll see you on part 2. See ya.